Good morning, everybody. It is now 8:32. We're 2 hours and 2 minutes in the opening bell on Tuesday with a light trading week, and we can clearly see how stocks do exhaust and reverse in price. Alert on price line. And then how it's got the bottom. It's come up 1, 2, 3 teenies, which is 1/16 times 48 cents. That's times 3. That's that bottom. We have a 20 IR reading. We have a previous half bar reading at 701.18. One of the things that we're looking at on Priceline right now is the $700 call that had a high of 1056 and a low of 640, and there's 690 by 740 right now. 361 traded. Last trade that went off was 11:29 Eastern Time. 870 was a close. Marked down $1.80 to that level. Now, how to buy the calls on the bottom based on the price of the equity. I will blow this up for the MMT. This is the bottom. These are the ascending diamonds. This is the validation of the bottom on Priceline. Intraday, 2-hour tape. Each one of these, I'm up above this half bar and this half bar. This half bar is 701.39. The bid is 701.57 by 702. It's a 43-cent spread. If he prints, he was on the high of 0.69 ratio high, which equaled 10.99 teenies times 48 cents equaled dollar-wise 531 in our system. The intraday range is $7.05. The call option on Priceline is marked down. We are only going to take a light entry with a bid in case we come back down. We'll put a bid in there and we'll take a couple contracts, 2 of them. We'll put the bid below the floor there at $6.60. That'd be $6.70 right now. Right now at 6.7 below this bid. Based on this bottom that 02 goes to 00 positive, then these contracts are going to have a higher bid and ask ratio based on that IR and based on that one going to 00. So there it is. Just keep the bids out there. 00, if it goes negative, it'll come back down just like it did. It went back to 06. See how the red bar, that dropped a whole teeny, 48 cents. Bam! Mathematically to the penny. Yes, yes, yes. What did it do? These are 720 by 740. Just keep your bid below the market. We are buying a markdown at the high. There is the close to that low. So we're still a premium to it. What we're looking for is if this doesn't go above 25, and once again, in the directional price movement, if this IR goes up in value, got to 00, went to 06. We dropped one teeny. So that's the intraday morning bottom with another reversal coming into line. As far as the entry here live right now in the option exchange with the market maker alert, we will take a couple of small contracts at, I am going to keep my original bid at $5.80 right now. The reversal is not confirmed. This is still going higher. Cancel the 670 as you did. Let's take the contracts down to $5.70 on 2. That's a 300 penny markdown from the close and almost a huge percent markdown off of the high. This is going toward 10. Price dropped. Let's drop the bids there. MMT. Live bell. The $710 put, which was all done intraday right here. We can see that this was 1196 or 1110 by 1180, still marked down from the close. Based on Priceline doing what? MMT, it's got a weak bottom. And it's here in the video. Here's the puts. Here, we're 10 IR, we're 13. As we went negative 13, look what happened. The price fell, and this price on the put is still marked down. So they're stealing premium out of the put side as far as I'm concerned for 710 being in the money. This thing here should be up around 15.5 by 1580 in my view. So that's based on that high reversal in the equity of 707.57 down here to the low of 752. You still didn't get above. And so this side is being marked down right along with the call. And the call is the $700 call. That's the update. I'm going to conclude that. Here is the call at 670. We got bids down below the market. 5.8, 5.7 is good. Recap the alert. The market maker alert has a total reversal here, and that's why the contracts are changing value. When this got to 0.0 and this live trading entry, it went from 0.0 to 13 now, and it's going to hold this support level. Now, for Priceline or any bottom, they still have to close above this half bar right here, and that's going to be 701.2. And he's 701.11 by 72. That's 89 cents between the bid and ask at the public spread. So he just printed. If he prints 15.015 here, that's going to bomb that down another teeny to the lows. That's the risk and the entry and the alert at 8:39 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 2:19. All right, Priceline. That's how bottoms get put in. Once again, it had a great short alert right off of the high. It's been doing that every day. The only stock out here not doing that right now is Google. But these are the kind of price ranges we're looking for. We're looking for the highs and the reversals and both directional price movement. Very good, MMT.